Authorities see suspected shabu worth over 13 billion pesos in Batangas, the biggest haul to date. Here's the report.
These items appear like normal parcels for delivery in Alitagtag, Batangas, but they all allegedly contain crystal meth or shabu. Checkpoint personnel asked a silver van to pull over on Monday morning. Upon inspection, they saw suspicious plastic containers inside the vehicle. Around 2 tons of shabu, approximately worth 13.3 billion pesos, were confiscated.
Ito na siguro ay makasaysayang pinakamalaking huling droga sa kasaysayan ng ating bansa. Lumalabas sa initial screening test na kinonduct ng PDEA na ang confiscated ay na mga drugs ay nag-test ng positive sa methamphetamine hydrochloride.
Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos and PNP Chief Romel Marbil personally carried out an inspection, but they did not provide other details due to a pending operation.
For me, what is important right now ay ma-inventaryo kagad ito, idaan sa tamang proseso at immediately i-destroy kagad ito, sirain kagad ito.
Meanwhile, the Chief of Alitagtag Police was promoted following the drug haul.
13.3 billion, napakalaking pera. Pero hindi nasilaw sa pera itong si De Luna at ang kanyang mga kasama. On this day, you are now promoted, no? Spot promotion dahil sa kagalingang ginawa mo, sa katapangan mo.
Nag-stem lang po ito sa aking pananaw na yung deeply seated determination po at dedication sa trabaho ko. Yun lamang po, wala na pong iba.
The driver of the van refused to comment on the alleged shabu inside his car. He will be charged in violation of the Comprehensive Dangerous Act.
13 billion. Malaki
Napakalaki
yun. Biggest in history.
Biggest nga daw dito sa Philippines.
They have to take a look yung sources nito because for sure, if it's this large amount, nanggagaling to sa malaking grupo.
Sa Batangas sila, no? Dumaan. Nako.
And good job pala sa mga police
commendation
natin.
Ulit.
And buti na lang tinutukan kaagad to ni DILG Secretary Abalos because malaking malaking amount to. Kung hindi tutukan to, usually may mga lumalaga sa gilid. Baka ibenta pa ng kung sino-sino or may attempt na kumuha.
Hindi, tsaka pagka nakalusot yan, ay, isipin mo, bakit lumaki ng ganyan? Ibig sabihin may mga nakakalusot dati na paliit-liit. Eh ngayon malaki
siya. Ito, may nag-attempt na mag-transport ng, usually they transport not in that amount.
Laki.
Pero ito they attempted to transport 13 billion. Could you imagine if 13 billion worth hits the streets? Let's say Metro Manila alone, diba? It's enough to, well, I don't want to say fun, but to supply drugs to a lot of people sa Metro Manila for weeks
Buti
and months.
Na lang na ano siya na apprehend. Pero ito nga sinecheck ko, sabi ko, kung ito yung biggest haul nga na nangyari dito sa Philippines, ano yung before, 'di ba? Ano yung mga amount ng before? I was checking it. Anong March 2022, 11 billion worth of shabu naman nakita sa 1,589 tea bags sa Infanta Quezon. Yan yung nakuha naman at last time. So 11 billion naman yun. Ito 13, mas malaki nga siya.
Pero malaki ang 13 billion. That's malaki for
Super.
And kasi, di ba, ang presyo sa shabu is by the gram by the gram. Ang mahal lang by the gram niyan. So kung i-multiply mo yan by the gram, yung 13 billion, ang dami niyan. You just saved a lot of lives
susunod niyan, sana kung meron tayong oras, makakausap din si Secretary Benhur Abalos. Ano yung mga proseso? After this, anong gagawin dun sa mga nahuli, di ba?
Yung nga, yung driver daw kakasuhan.
After noon, of course, yung mismong shabu itself.
Sisirain daw. Sinabi sisirain daw niya immediately.
Kasi last time parang inabot pa ng 3 months. Pero baka kasi dahil sa court order yun.
Court order kasi you have to present the evidence. But siguro dito may mga operations pa sila that they cannot divulge. I'm sure hinahanap nila yung source.
That's why sabi na makausap natin
bantayan nila yung driver na yan kasi hahabulin ng source yung driver na yan to stop him from talking.
Parang napanood ko nga sinasabi daw nung bigla daw kinuha yung lisensya niya, parang pinagpawisan na daw siya ng malagkit kasi takot na siya, alam niya na kung ano yung nasa likod ng yung mga
yung mga pulis natin trained yan makita pag medyo guilty ka na.